Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the hottest curbside deals over at Walgreens. We're going to look at some with boosters, some without, and a whole lot of magic mixed in the middle of all this. And some deals you should be doing regardless, especially for those always ultra thins. You're going to be ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and putting in your order that way, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Lots of these items are just a little bit cheaper doing this way, and you can stack little discount codes with your order. For certain orders with IBOTTA, you must ask the cashier to process your transaction through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt to send off to IBOTTA. That's very important. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes register rewards, being in store, you like to look around, I suggest you watch yesterday's haul video where I was in store. I even have 3 freebies that are 2 are clearance items. So this sort of stuff, you actually have to go in store and look around. And I really encourage you to watch yesterday's video if you prefer that type of shopping. Now, a lot of you didn't get any of these boosters. These boosters, for the most part, are just for 1 week, except for the Always Discreet one. Just a theory, I'm curious how much you guys are out there shopping. Are you doing 7 days a week, 5 transactions in store daily? Or are you a lighter shopper like yours truly? I go Sunday, midweek, and then if there might be some clearance on the weekend, I'll grab a couple things. But I'm not in there all the time, doing 5 to 10 transactions daily. I'm thinking if you're doing that, possibly these aren't showing up for you. If you have 2 accounts, maybe go heavy on one, and then the second one go a little bit lighter with transactions. Just a thought, but let me know in the comments down below. If you're not getting these, are you doing transactions daily? I'm just curious. Okay, let's get right into this with deal number 1. This is a deal I think everybody should do. These Always liners are the thin ones. They're very expensive. On a buy one, get one 50% off for $17.98. Now, we got a really nice gift. We got this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. Loaded. IBOTTA has $2 back for each with a bonus when you buy 2. So make sure you have this guy loaded. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. Link in the notes. It's a fantastic app. It's my favorite. Awesome app. Now, you're going to need a physical receipt for this one. So I do recommend ask the cashier very nicely to process this through a regular register. If it's done with the handheld, or if you just want them to bring it to your car in the parking lot, you're not going to get a receipt. Very important, so you can get your $4.50 back. To level out the basket, we're going to throw in this little cutie. There's a $1.25 store coupon and a $1 manufacturer. That $1 manufacturer is from a week ago, so if you didn't use it, throw this in the basket for $5. Just to show you, $10 coming off, $1.25, 80 cents with the code WAG10, little bit of savings. The overall total here is $22.98. $2.05 coming off with $11 as well. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay 16 cents. Get that receipt for $4 back from $4.50 back from IBOTTA. $4 and a 50-cent bonus. It's like $1.81 per item, which is really fantastic. So what a deal. Deal number 2. So for the next 2 deals, we're looking at booster deals. This first one is to spend $25 on household, get back $5. So we're doing this curbside, and I have looked at the math very carefully for this one as well to ensure that we're exactly at $25 after using coupon or discount codes. So for this one, we're going to grab one of these $12.99 Tide Pods. 49 counter, not bad. And then this guy for $15.99, and we also have a $3 digital. So just to show you guys the digital coupons that are attaching, this one is for the pods. And there's also a $3 for the liquid. And whenever you can get Tide for $8 or less for these larger ones, I think it is a stock up price, because on a non-sales week at a store like Meijer, I think it's like $16.99 for Tide now. This is one item they've raised the prices. Just to show you, WAG10 took $2.30 off and $6 coming off as well. The overall total is $28.98. And we have $2.30 coming off. So the overall total is still $26.68. So we're still at that $25 threshold. $6 in manufacturers melting off. With your debit card, pay the $22.28. And then you're getting back $5 of Walgreens cash for spending $25 on household. As it's a booster, you have to use your debit card. You cannot use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Deal number 3. This is going to be a beauty deal. To spend $30 on beauty and personal care to get back $7 in Walgreens cash. Not too shabby. So for this first item we're going to grab 3 of these L'Oreal Paris moisturizers. And they're on some goofy price at $9.59, but we're grabbing 3 of them. I had to get 2 in a different flavor, so that's why there's only showing 2, but it's actually 3 that I put in my cart. And we have this, which is a 12 off of 3. We're basically getting one of those completely for free, which makes all of us really excited. And these are the 2 different flavors that you can grab from, so mix and match if you wish. And then we're going to grab 2 of these Maybelline quads. It's like an eyeshadow. Buy one, get one 50% off for $12.73. And who doesn't like Maybelline eyeshadow? I certainly do. And this one tells you exactly how to apply it as well, which is always helpful. We have an 8 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have that guy loaded. Now, just to show you, we have the 8 off of 2, the 12 off of 3, and then using the code SHINE15, $3.23 melting off. The overall total here is $51.40, subtracting $3.23. We're at $38.27, so we're still at that $30+ threshold, so we're fine. Tax and $20 melting off. With your debit card, pay $20.57 because it's a spend booster of spend an amount to get back $7, and you're getting back your $7 of Walgreens cash, so not a bad deal. Okay, the next couple deals we're looking at are just $10 baskets or very cheap baskets. This is the Shampoo Lovers deal. So we're going to throw in 2 of the $5 Pantenes. If you want to get a shampoo and conditioner, by all means. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And this is on a promotion of buy 2, get $2 back of Walgreens cash, which is really nice. And we're going to load our friend here, which is the 3 off of 2. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these L'Oreal Elvives. We have a 3 off of 2 manufacturer, and then there's also a store coupon to go with. I'm going to show you that here in a quick second. Here it is, 3 off of 2 and a 3 off of 2. So the top one is a manufacturer. The bottom one is a Walgreens coupon. See how it says my Walgreens coupon? Walgreens coupon. $3, $3, $3, 40 cents with the magical code WAG10. Just to show you, the overall total is 20 buckos, $3.40 melting off, $6 in manufacturers, $11.60. You can use $10 of Walgreens cash if you wish, and then you're getting back $2. Not too shabby for 4 shampoos. The final deal that we're looking at is with some frozen treats. And with this one, you can either do it in store or you can do it curbside. I would encourage you to do this in store because if you live in a hotter place like California or somewhere really hot, you know, it just in case this stuff melts. These are on a buy one, get one 50% off for the Kit Kat and there's a couple other frozen treats like this. Mixing 2 of them into a cart, it's $11.58. Because it's a dairy product, I don't think you can use that discount code. No tax because this is considered food in Michigan. So if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.58 for 4 things of Kit Kat cones. What a great deal. Do it in store in case you want to just like throw it right into a cooler. If it's a hotter day where you live or you live in a hot climate, you don't want this stuff to melt. That's it for this video. And if you want to watch yesterday's in store, it's linked right here and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.